Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth network problem in Realme phone device, how to solve. Friends, you are using your phone Bluetooth setting and guys you have this your Bluetooth network problem. So now how can we solve Bluetooth network problem in Realme phone device? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how to solve Bluetooth network problem in Realme phone device. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll it, and friends we will click on guys this system setting guys, tap here. Then guys again scroll friends, you can see guys your backup and reset guys, tap here. Friends click on your reset phone setting and guys click on, you can see guys the second is Bluetooth setting guys, we will tap here to reset means solve. Then guys after 4 and 5 seconds guys your Bluetooth network will problem will solve, and guys now we can use guys Bluetooth setting without any problem setting guys. Now you can connect any device from here guys. And after solve this problem guys, suppose guys you have any another problem, so don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.